So this is the last app or website, educational website that I have chosen to talk about. I wanted my last one to be more of an educational, content-based activity or game that could kind of help boost some certain concepts or areas that we're learning in class. So this is actually called Funbrain Jr. Up here at the top, there's lots of different tabs. There's games, stories, printables, stickers, and apps. So we'll start with games. So when you click on it, it brings up a number of games. There's 6 on each page, and then you can kind of go through. You can either click through them or you can click see all. Um, After you click on one, it gives you a brief description as to what it's about, so it can kind of tell you a little bit on like what the kid will be working on whenever they are doing that. You can also read the title underneath, and it'll kind of give you a little bit of an idea, but it's super kid friendly and easy for them to use. You can also go to stories. There's a number of stories that they can do, so they could also click this. Whether you guys have laptops or iPads, it's compatible for both. So you can actually click it, and then it'll bring up its story. There's a few pages of all these, and then the title is right underneath it. Up here at the top, if you go to Printables, if you fill out all of your teacher information and what you are wanting to work on, it will actually provide you with a number of printable resources that you can use for these kids to print off for these kids, and you can also assign it through Google Classroom. So it is compatible with that if that is something that your district is using right now with all of the online learning stuff. So again, back to the games, that was the main reason that I picked it. It just seems like a really good way that you can kind of encourage kids to continue to learn, whether that be in small groups during your MTSS time or whatever works. This would obviously be geared more for like elementary level kids. However, Funbrain, this is Funbrain Jr., and then the regular Funbrain actually does have higher level content. So if that is something that you teach or would want to do, that would be an option as well. So again, this is called Funbrain Jr., and this is the last app or website that I have chosen to talk about.